Waylon, he turned 26 weeks today. I got him some balloons from work and he just loving on them. He figured out if he moves his hand, the balloons move. He's just having a fun time. Oh, he's just having fun. Are you having fun with the balloons? You having fun with the balloons, Boo-Boo? Okay. We say bye.